Hello, good morning students. Now in a flexible budget we are going to solve second sum of this chapter. The following particulars are available from the record of Marcel Limited for year 2007. The production at 18% production capacity is 10,000 unit. Okay, 80% production capacity is 10,000 unit means કે કંપની 18% લેવલનો યુઝ કરે છે ત્યાં 10,000 યુનિટ પ્રોડ્યુસ થાય છે. The production of cost of this level of production are as follow. Okay, એટલે કે આ લેવલના expenses given છે મીન્સ 18% લેવલના 10,000 યુનિટના expenses આપેલા છે. રો મટીરિયલ, વેજીસ, વેરિયેબલ ફેક્ટરી, ફિક્સ વેરિયેબલ, સેલિંગ ઓવરહેડ્સ, ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન ઓવરહેડ્સ, એડમિનિસ્ટ્રેશન ઓવરહેડ્સ, એમાં 20, 25, 100% fixed and all expenses are given per unit. From the above information, prepare flexible budget for 50%, 60%, 80% and 100%. We have to prepare it 50, 60, 80 and 100. What should be the selling price to gain 20% profit on sales? Okay. So first of all, we prepare the budget and then we will find out the price. Now, we have to prepare budget for 50, 60, 80 and 100. Okay. And this information is also given 80. એટલે આપણે જો 50, 60, 80 and 100 નું prepare કરીશું એમાં indirectly 80 આવી જ જશે, right? Because I told in a previous video we have to prepare first column about the which level information is available. જે level information હોય એનું આપણે column show કરીશું and જે level નું આપણે બનાવવાનું હશે budget એનું column show કરીશું. Okay, જે level information આપેલી હશે એનું column આવશે અને જે બનાવવાની હશે 70, 80 એની column આવશે. But here we have to prepare 50, 60, 80 and 100. એમાં 80 indirectly include થઈ જ જાય છે. So we have to prepare total 4 column this way. 50, 60, 80 and 100. Okay, એમાં 18 information આપેલી છે, 18 information available છે, 80% level પર 10,000 unit produce થાય છે. Okay, so I told in a previous video we have to just write down whatever expense is given one by one. First of all, raw material wages, then factory overheads fixed and variable. So I give this entry like this: factory overheads variable and fixed. Then selling માં 20% fixed છે, so remaining variable. Then distribution માં પણ fixed છે, so remaining variable. Administration માં 100% fixed છે, so 100% fixed છે, so there is not variable expense because it's 100% fixed and the total is total cost. Now let's prepare first of all which one I told you. આપણે સૌથી પહેલા કયું prepare કરીશું? જેની information available છે. Okay, right now which level information is available? That is 18%. So first of all we prepare this 18%. જેની information available હોય તે આપણે prepare કરીશું. So let's start. First of all, raw material. Here raw material is given per unit 50. So very simple, per unit 50 છે, so 10,000 into 50 it will be 5 lakh. Very simple, per unit આપેલું છે. Wages per unit 20, wages per unit 20, 10,000 into 20 it will be 2 lakh. Then factory overheads, so it's also simply given. Variable is per unit 10, 10,000 into 10 it will be 1 lakh. And fixed 12.5, it's also per unit છે, per unit છે એટલે unit સાથે multiply કરીશું. Remember we are going to prepare which level which is information is given. જેની information આપેલી છે, જેવી આપેલી છે એવી બસ આપણે total amount કરીને લખી દેવાની છે. So here variable 10 આપેલા હતા, તો 10,000 into 10 1 lakh because all amount is given per unit. Fixed factory overhead 12.5 છે, 12.5 into 10,000 it will be 125. Now selling expense is given 20% fixed. How much? 13. So how to find out this? Okay, so here our unit is 10,000. Unit કેટલા છે? 10,000 and per unit selling expense કેટલું છે? 30. એટલે total selling expense is 130. Total selling 130, right? Per unit 13 આપેલા છે, per unit 13, total 10,000 unit into 13, our total expense 130. Now from which 20% fixed, જે 130 છે એમાં 20% fixed છે. So simple છે, 130 આપણે 20% કરીશું તો 26,000 is a fix. Okay, so 130 આપણે 20% કરી રહ્યા fixed, so remaining 80% is variable, right? So 130 18%, 1,04,000 is variable. Clear? Same calculation for distribution. Distribution expense is 7 is given. Total unit 10,000 છે. 10,000 into 7 means 70,000, right? એમાંથી 25% fixed છે. 25 fixed. Sorry. 25% means 17,500. It's a fix. So remaining variable 25 fix, 75 variable. So 70,000 na 75 means 5250. It's a variable. And last administration 5 આપેલા છે. Unit 10 છે. 10,000 into 5 એટલે 50,000 આવશે. And it's totally fixed છે. Totally કેવા છે? Fixed છે. We show in a fixed 50,000. Okay, so our 80% is clear. So let's also total this 5 2 1 125 26 1 lakh 4,000 17,500 5 2 5 0 50 11 lakh 75,000. Okay, so we have prepared 18% જે information આપેલી હતી એ complete કરી. Now the next 50, 60 and 100%. First of all, what we have to find out, it's a unit. Okay, આપણે એના unit find out કરીશું. Very simple. Here 18% level per we are going to produce 10,000 unit. 18% per 10,000 છે. If we want to find out for 50, then how much it will be? So 10,000 into 50 divided by 80. It will be 6250 unit. Okay, the same calculation for this 60%. So 60 into 10,000 divided by 80. It will be 7500 unit. Okay, and for the last 100 into 10,000 divided by 80, it will be 12,500 unit. Okay, now let's complete the find out the every expenses. So first of all, remember I told you we have to decide which are fixed and which are variable. First of all, this factory, selling, distribution, administration expense, they are clearly told fixed and variable, right? The starting is raw material and wages. Okay, I told you in a previous video, raw material, wages are the parts of prime cost. Okay, prime cost no parts and prime cost no je pan expense so it always variable hoy છે. So these two expense are fixed, it's a variable. Okay, so let's prepare this. First of all, think about the fixed expense. Fixed expenses kya છે? Okay, these are fixed expense. These are fixed expense, and we know that the rules about fixed expense, it's a total amount as it is. And જે total amount છે as it is રહેશે. Means here 125 છે, so here also 125, here also 125, here also 125, right? The fixed ma total amount as it is રહી. So same here, selling 26 છે, here it will be selling 26, here also 26, here also 26. Then distribution માં 70,500. Okay, fixed છે as it is બધામાં આવશે 70,500. And administration માં 50,000 fixed છે, so as it is. So for fixed expense is very easy. Okay, જે amount છે બધામાં as it is આપણે show કરી દઈશું. Clear? So this is completed. Now about the variable, fixed no rule શું છે? Total amount as it is, and variable માં per unit as it is. Okay, variable ma per unit amount as it is. So we need a per unit variable expenses. First of all, raw material. What is per unit price? It's already given. Raw material per unit 50 is given. Okay, 50 આપેલા છે તો simply 50 સાથે multiply કરી દઈએ. Okay, first of all 6250 into 50 તો આવશે 3,12,500. Then 7,500 into 50 3,75,000, and last 12,500 into 50 6,25,000. Clear? Okay, then wages is also variable. Variable ma we need per unit. Per unit is 20 is given already, to 20 સાથે multiply કરી દઈશું. Here 125 7500 into 20, it's a 150, and last 250. Okay, so wages is completed. Now factory overheads is a variable, that is also variable. Factory overheads per unit is given. Per unit આપેલી છે એટલે આપનું કામ કરવું easy થઈ જશે. Per unit 10 આપેલા છે, so 62500 એક 0 ખાલી એડ કરી દેવાનો છે. here 75, here 125. Now come to the selling overheads. Variable. Now selling overheads here total 13, but see 13 માં ફિક્સ અને વેરિયેબલ કમ્બાઇન છે. ઓકે 13 આપેલું છે, but 13 માં ફિક્સ પણ છે and variable પણ છે. Now we need only selling variable expense. How to find out? Very easy. Here 18%, 10,000 unit information is available. As per this, variable selling expense is 1,04,000. So you can find out per unit 1,04,000 is given selling variable expenses and its units 10,000. So how much is per unit price? That is 10.4. Clear? Total expense divide by unit કરો એટલે મળી જશે તમને per unit 10.4. Now let's multiply this 10.4 here 65, then 78 and 130. Okay, the same calculation here. Distribution overheads variable is 52500. You have to find out per unit 52500 and its unit is 10,000. So per unit 5.25. Okay, so 5.25 into unit 6250. So point માં વેશે આપણે રાઉન્ડ ઓફ લઈ લઈએ 32813. Okay, then 7500 5.25 39375 and last 5.25 65625. Okay, so every expense we have find out. Now we have to just total this all amount. So we get total cost. Okay, I have completed the total. Here 8,16,313, 935 is 75 and 14,14,125. Now remember our sum is not completed here because we have to find out. The question is that from the above information prepare flexible budget for 50, 60, 18 and 100%. It is completed. What should be the selling price to gain 20% profit on sell? Okay, here we have to find out selling price. We have to find out selling price when to gain 20% profit on sell. Okay, sell પર જો 20% profit જોઈતો હોય તો how much selling price should be done? Okay, so how to find out this? Very simple. Here we have a cost available. Okay, આપણી પાસે cost available છે. We need sales. Okay, we this type of point already come in SAM3 cost account. Okay, each point છે. So here we have to suppose we have a cost available છે. We have a cost. So first of all we have to find out sell, and from the sell we can find out selling price. To gain 20% profit on sell, so here we have to suppose sell is equal to 100. Suppose sell 100, then what will be profit? Profit is 20% on sell છે. Why here we suppose sell? Remember, profit જેના પર હશે એને suppose કરીશું. Profit 20% profit કોના પર છે? On sell છે. Okay, profit sell પર છે એટલે કે sell ને suppose કર્યું. If profit was on a cost, in that case we have to suppose cost. So here 20% profit on sell is given, so that we have to suppose sell. Suppose sell 100, then what will be profit? 100 and 20%, it will be 20 profit. And remember, cost plus profit is equal to sell, and sell minus profit is equal to cost. So here sell minus profit, so it will be cost 18%. Okay, now we have a cost of every level, so we can find out sell. Let's first calculate about this 80%. Simple step. If cost is 80, then sell is 100. If cost is 80, then sell is 100. Our actual cost is for 80% 11,75,000. Then what will be sell? So it will be 14,68,750. Okay, we get the sale. So let's prepare this way: profit and sale. This type of calculation we made in semester 3. Okay, sell 14,68,750. So the difference is profit. Let's also find out that profit. It was 293,750. Clear? The same calculation for 100%. Let's do that. Here same step. Cos 18, then sell 100. Here cos 14, 125 कितना होगा? Okay, 14 125 into 100 divided by 80. Okay, तो point में वैसे we write down in round of 17,67,656. 70,606,656, and the difference is 3,53,531. Okay, same we can calculate this both amount. I have find out the both amount. Still our sum is not completed here because we didn't have to find out sell. Actually we want selling price. Okay, अपने selling price find out करवाने से. So let's find out here selling price. We need not a sell, we need a selling price. Okay, now it's very simple. We have a total amount of sell. Okay, let's think about this. 10, 20, 391. Okay, it's a total sell. 10,20,391. It's a total sell. Divide by how much you need produce here? 6250. Divide by 6250. So we get selling price 163.26. Okay, the same here. 11,69,844. 11,69,844 divided by unit 7500. So it will be 155.98. Okay, like here 14,68,750 and its unit is 10,000. So it will be 146.87, and for the last divide by its unit 12,500. 141.41. Clear? Okay.